Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to take a look at the iCandy Lime Stroller. So let's get started. Now what I have here is the iCandy Lime set up in the carry cot or bassinet mode. So as you can see, this is the carry cot. It comes with the stroller, so when you buy the Lime, what you get is the chassis, the frame for the seat and the carry cot, and you get the fabric to make the carry cot, and you also get the fabric to make the seat. So at the moment this is set up in carry cot mode. Now this carry cot is approved from newborn to approximately 6 months, or when your child can sit upright. This carry cot is also approved for overnight sleeping. Now with this one, let's have a look. So it has to be facing you only as a carry cot mode. Now it's also sitting on elevator at the moment, so what it allows you to do is be closer to the child, like without bending down so much. Now let's take this off because there's nothing much to look at when it's in a carry cot mode. Let's have a look at it when it's in the seat mode, okay? So I'm just going to take this off. So you just lift here, that comes off. We'll just leave it over here. Now so what the stroller comes with is you got the frame. It also comes with these seat elevators. These elevators allows the bassinet to be closer to you. Also you can do it with the seat. So it comes with the seat elevators. It also comes with adapters for capsules. So if you want to put a Maxi Cosi, Nuna Pippa or a Cybex capsule on, go for it. These ones will fit. It also comes with a rain cover. So that's what it comes with. Now, when you finish using the carry cot, you're ready to use the seat. So let me just grab the seat over. Okay, here's the seat. Oops. Let's do this, the bar. So the bar is shared between when you only use one. So when you're buying this one, you get the frame. You also get one flavor pack. So flavor pack being the color. So that one is the glacier color. So what you get is the canopy and also the cover for the foot. So this one here is the stone color. So what you get is this one, and you also get a foot cover as well. So let's have a look at some of the features of this one. So the first thing you'll notice is what you get is the adjustable handles. So different height, you get a bit more comfortable to push. This stroller is approved from newborn to 25 kilo capacity. The other feature that it has, which is unique to the iCandy Lime, is actually the footboard. So this one allows a younger toddler to stand there. That is approved for a 20 kilo capacity child, which is quite good. So it's good if you have a child, rather than having a skateboard at the back, you can just let the child stand there in that spot. So it's kind of like the iCandy Orange, but the Orange allows you to have a 2-seat configuration. The Lime would only ever have a 1-seat configuration, but it comes with the footboard, which is similar to the Orange. Now with this seat, the canopy is like this, but it also can be expanded. Just unzip this. So now you have a larger canopy. It also has a little vent at the back, so in summer months allowing more ventilation to go through. The seat can be reclined with the button here, so you can just recline the seat at different angles. You can also turn the seat, so let me just do this in this position first. Before we even turn the seat around, it also comes with adjustable footrest. So that's a nice little feature, depending on how your child likes to rest their feet. The seat can be turned around. So if we just grab this and turn it around. And that's it. So the child's facing you and you can still recline the seat. If you want, you can put the elevators on so then a younger child can be closer to you. Now, to fold this stroller, we have to have the seat in a forward position. So let me just re-put this back into a forward position. Like this. This is quite neat. It's probably one of the first strollers of its kind that can actually do the seat folds together. So as you see, the whole thing collapses. Now to fold this stroller, obviously the brake is just here. In Australia it's always red, so we just lock the brake. This goes down. There's also an extra button here you have to push this button in, and then you kind of have to jam it in. Okay, so I'm going to push it in, jam, and that drops down. And all you have to do is grab this, and that's it. That's your stroller. Now to unlock it, it does stand upright. To unlock it, the lever is inside. There's a little silver latch. Just undo that, separate it, and press that, and that's it. So the iCandy Lime Stroller, now available at Banana Baby.